Here's a quick vid on installing the carbon fibre redline cob intake. First, install the bracket. The flex washer goes inside. Now, the bigger grommet goes on the bracket, as well as the metal fitting. The two smaller grommets and metal fittings go on the front portion of the intake. Install the bracket that will hold the wire harness. The filter goes on next and fits in pretty easily. Now you can uninstall the factory intake. It's straightforward, as most of you know already. 4 10mm bolts hold the box and front flap, while a 5.5mm clamp holds the tubes on. The smaller clamp is easily pulled out. A 30 Torx bit will remove these bolts. Keep it close by, as you will reuse that orange seal. Pull the factory box out and remove the plastic piece holding the wire harness. Now transfer the orange seal to the new fitting. Now take off the factory MF and install it on the cob intake. Ensure you push down fully on the MF to seat it completely on the piping. If you don't, you could get leaks. Install that T-fitting onto the tube provided by Cobb. Install the new air intake box, but don't install the bolts just yet. This will allow easier install of the intake tube. Once you are sure you have everything lined up and fitting correctly, go ahead and secure everything down. Install the wire shielding provided on the factory wire harness. Here is the plastic piece holding the wire harness. Now install the cap. Now install the weather seal provided. Ensure you press down fully to get the clamps through. And you are done. Well, almost. You need to upload a new calibration, of course. Get this from a tuner before installing the intake. Thanks for watching.